Now discuss about moment of force or turning effect. By hearing the name turning effect, you also understand that it is related to the rotational motion. Now the moment of force is given by the product of force and perpendicular distance between line of force and the pivot point. Now understand, from this picture, this OA is a solid rod and at point O it is hinged or fixed. This O point is fixed. This is known as pivot point, we know previously. Now if a force F is applied at point A, then that rod rotates in this direction. That rod rotates like this. Okay, so here the moment of force F is given by F multiplied by OA. OA is the distance between the line of force and the pivot point. So moment of force is given by F multiplied by A. Now move to the unit of moment of force. CGS unit of moment of force is dyne centimeter, because the unit of force in CGS unit is dyne and the distance unit is in CGS is centimeter. So the CGS unit of moment of force is dyne centimeter and the SI unit is Newton meter. Okay, now there is another unit which is called gravitational unit. We know the unit of force in gravitational unit is kgf. So the unit of moment of force in gravitational unit is kgf meter. Now this unit is very important for numericals. Okay, when we do numericals, you see there that now there is a relation between kgf and Newton meter. We know 1 kgf equals to 9.8 Newton. So 1 kgf meter equals to 9.8 Newton meter. This is the relation between gravitational unit and SI unit of moment of force.